buying a house, but if I remember correctly, he said he's buying by March. He's still in grade 10. We're going to grade 10. Sense, bro. It literally do not make no sense. But it's like Ghost is like the mentor. It's like, okay, boy, if you need this kind of views, you should live with this hand. Then you're gonna be there. I mean, like having 46 videos, bro, on a 200k subscribers is just bogus, bro. This is the youngin. I don't even know how he pop up, but hey, man, he's cooking.
Do I have everybody's attention now?
Bro, as a content creator myself, and as a person who understands the game, these are all Ghosthlubi's antics, bro. So today we better react to this little Peanuts buying a house. But if I remember correctly, in the other Ghosthlubi system, he said he's buying by March. So I don't understand if he's gonna continue paying for a house in Joburg, but he's still in grade 10. We're going to grade 10. Sense, bro. It literally do not make no sense, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Like, but yeah, hey, I know that like a lot of people saw this video, or maybe will see this video at the end of the day, or come rushing. But I understand, bro, it's part of the game, bro. You just gotta fake it until you make it, dog. Cause this little boy is still young. Apparently he's 15 years old. But last week on that video he said he was 15. So hey, my friends, it's really tough. So let's get right to the video, okay? Okay, let's start. Bro got a fire intro.
So yeah, guys, as you can see on the title, that today I'll be doing one of my biggest
5
things
million.
I always wanted to do.
At 16 you got 5 million.
Guys, imagine at 16 and you own a house, like, haha.
Get that nigga off my shit right now.
Oh, come on.
Get that nigga. Whatever.
So yeah, guys, if you are new here, you don't drop bangles, you drop bangles. And yeah, road to 300k subscribers. And I'll be so happy if I can reach that maybe on the 1st of January, of December, I don't know.
We might reach it, little brother. Trust me, you got the formula.
Yeah, right now, guys, we'll be moving out. My small bro is here, raising. My big brother
But
is here.
yo, I just feel like Ghost is all behind this, bro.
And so like, yeah, like we move in, and yeah, fun.
And it's still like stumbling, bro. Like this little nigga's English is
Hell no, man. I'm done, bro. I'm giving it back to my boy. Thank you for having me.
fucked up, bro.
Yeah.
But okay, maybe 3 years to come is 8. But for now, dog, yo. The other time he said margarine is margarine. Damn, that's wow.
You know how much
That's all
like guys like you, guys like this video, guys, this is the biggest achievement, like, oh guys, that's the thing. But yeah,
Maybe it's the room you rented, my brother. Me, I'm saying it, dog. I already know Ghosthlubi's antics. I'm not hating. I'm proud of little bro for his age. It's like the kind of South Africa, bro. I fuck with Ghosthlubi's content cause it manipulates people's minds into like actually wanna talk, bro. So I don't know about this, bro. Like I genuinely do not know about this. First it was him linking with Tando. From Tando to Sign, but it's like Ghost is like the mentor. It's like, okay, boy, if you need this kind of views, you should live with this hand, this hand, and this hand. Then you're gonna be there. I mean, like having 46 videos, bro, on a 200k subscribers is just bogus, bro. This is the youngin. I don't even know how he pop up, but hey, man, he's cooking.